Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Mott's fruit flavored assorted snacks. Now, what these are like jelly type, chewy fruit snacks that kids like. They're very sweet and they're basically candy. Yeah, and they're assorted flavors, and it's made with fruit and veggie juice. So it's supposed to be kind of healthy for you. And when I first got these, I got these for my kids, and I've tried them too, and I really like the way they taste. When you first get them, and you haven't opened the pack, you're gonna be a little bit disappointed, I think, when you do open the pack. Like, you can see this, see? When you see the package, it looks like that. It's very colorful, It looks kind of very, delicious, But when you get them, they look like this, which is, I guess it's similar, but the colors seem a little more brownish than reddish, and just not as colorful as that. Maybe if they had maybe it's the green background that makes it look more delicious. But yeah, they look like this, and they're very chewy and very good. I like them a lot. They're not crazy sweet. They're sweet, but they're not crazy sweet. There is 9 grams per pouch. There is about 9 grams of sugar in each one, and 80 calories, and 9 grams of sugar. There are no artificial coloring in there or artificial flavoring. It's also gluten-free. And there's a lot of vitamin C in it. And the fact that it's made vegetables also makes it a little better than just straight candy, right? And we plan on this upcoming Halloween passing these out along with other candies too, just to be a little bit more healthy. I know this is still, probably, not that great for you because of the sugar content, but it's better than the classic candies, right? And this also, I gotta say this, these chewy candies are not very good for your teeth. They stick in your teeth and are hard to get out, which means it stains them. So, you really have to brush them good to get this out of your teeth, So, any kind of chewy products like this are really bad for your teeth. You just need to know that. And but they're really good, and kids really like them. My son eats these all the time. I don't shove it down his throat every day, but we give it to him sparingly. But he does enjoy these, and yeah, I can understand why. I've tried them too, and I'm guilty. I eat a few packs of these every other day. I try not to, but yeah, but I'm good about brushing my teeth. So so I discovered these probably about maybe 2.5 years ago when I got these at a Halloween trek around my neighborhood, and it was one of the things that my son brought home from a neighbor that he had done his trick-or-treating at. And I was looking through all his candies, and I found these, and I thought it was interesting to see what this is, because when you get the pack like this, you don't really know what it's going to be like when you open it, because it's just kind of a generic, you don't get the picture there. But so we opened it, and he chewed on it and everything, and it was great. I tried some, it was awesome. So I went to the store and I saw the display, and we've been buying them ever since. But I've never passed them out for Halloween, and I think this year I will, because I think it's better than just a regular straight up candy. It's candy, but with a twist on it that has some vegetables thrown in there to give it a slight hint of health. Yeah, so I like them. I wish the colors were a little better, a little more inviting, but if you're not going to use any artificial coloring, that would be very hard. So they probably have to take that off. But it does taste well. It tastes good. All right, well, that's the Mott's fruit flavored assorted snacks. And I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right? Bye-bye.